Okay. This question says that Mrs. Jewett is taking her 60 students on a field trip to the bowling alley, and the cost for each student is as follows. So it's $5 for transportation, $2 per game. Each student will play 3, $2.50 to rent the shoes, $7.50 for lunch. What is the total amount of money that's going to be collected from each student? What is the total for 60 students? So I'm going to go through here and pull out my important information. So the first thing that I see is that she is going to be taking 60 people on her field trip. Okay. All right. And then for each person, so that means for one person, they have to pay $5 for transportation, $2 per game, but they're playing 3 each, $2.50 to rent shoes, and $7.50 for lunch. So we want to find out from each student. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So I know that for one person, I've got to pay $5 for my bus. So I've got 5.00. $2 per game, but they're playing 3. So I have to think about 2 times 3. So that's $6 to bowl. Then they're spending $2.50 to rent the shoes. Then they're spending $7.50 for the lunch. So this is for one kid. So I'm going to add this up. 5 and 5 are 10. Carry my 1. And when I look at this, I look for things that I like to put together. So I see 7 and 2 is 9 plus 1 more is 10. This is 11. 10 plus 11 is $21. So it's $21 per kid. But then she is taking 60 people. So I need to do 21 times 60 to find out how much money she's going to be spending for, or the kids are going to be spending for the trip. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my ones place, but that's just a 0. And I know if I multiply that, all of them are going to be zeros. So I'm just going to go straight to the tens place. 6 times, if I put down my 0, because the 6 is in the tens place, 6 times 1 is 6. 2 times 6 is 12. So the trip is going to cost $1,260.